Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make southern fried shrimp. I got a trick to show you guys how to make it crispy without using a lot of ingredients. Now I've got raw shrimp and I've got jumbo, so these are really big and they've been deveined and the tail is still on and they're peeled. I've got canola oil, I've got some flour, and I've got some Slap Your Mama seasoning. This is chili powder, that's a mistake, I'll change that, it should be black pepper, and some milk. And I don't like my shrimp really coated in cornmeal or any thick coating. I like it crunchy, but this is old school where I'm just using flour. But like I said, I got a trick to show you that'll still keep it extra crunchy, and this only takes 15 minutes. You can be eating. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up so your girl can get cooking because I am hungry and ready to eat. So I'm gonna put you on pause and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I got my shrimp all clean and dried. I did put a little bit of the Slap Your Mama in this container here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shrimp in here. And this is the trick that makes them crispy without using breadcrumbs or cracker crumbs, panko breadcrumbs, any of that stuff. It is milk. So these I'm gonna season with some more Slap Your Mama. And I'm gonna pour some milk on top of these. I'm using 2%. You can use whole if you like. This is what we had. We're not big milk drinkers. And I'm just gonna mix this in with the seasoning. And that needs to set. Oh, some black pepper in there too. And you mix that and make sure they're all submerged pretty good. And I want some more seasoning, so that should have some more color. If you like hot sauce, go ahead and add hot sauce or red pepper flakes if you want to make this spicy. Those are also two things that'll make this taste good. Got that all set. And now I'm going to season also the flour. So I'm going to add some Slap Your Mama to that. Use my dry hand to mix this all up. Now in this video, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And you know I upload 2 videos every week. One with a, well, both of them have an inspirational quote and a controversial joke with each one. And in this video, my editor is going to insert somewhere I gave a giveaway for subscriber appreciation. I just want to say thank you so much to all my subscribers, the 388 that I have as of today. So I will be doing plenty of giveaways, but I sent her a Coach bag and she received it and made a video, and sent it back to me. So he's gonna put that in here some kind of way, I don't know how. But anyway, I'm gonna put you on pause. These need to set for 10 minutes. I have my oil heating to come up to 350, and then we'll get frying. And like I said, this takes 15 minutes total. This only takes 1 to 2 minutes per side on the fish, on the shrimp, and this soaks for 10 minutes. So let me put you on pause, I'll be right back. Okay, the shrimp have been soaking for about 10 minutes, and the secret to making them crispy is to make sure that every bit of the shrimp is covered in flour. You don't want to see any shrimp not covered. So you want to really work it in, like that one there. I'm just laying them on a paper plate. And if you like salt and pepper, you can just use plain salt and pepper. You don't have to do anything exotic. I just like Slap Your Mama with my shrimp if I'm making them at home. And see how I'm really getting that. This gives you the good crust. Okay, so you see the gist of this. I have my oil heating to 350 to 375 degrees, and like I said, these only take a minute or 2 on each side. You know I have a great joke for you guys. It's a short one, basically, mainly because we're going to insert the clip of my giveaway winner. I'm just excited about that and just truly grateful for all my subscribers. I just keep saying it, but anyway, that's the case. So I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and get the rest of these heavily coated in flour. And you do not want to double dip these. No, like I said, unless you want them super crunchy or crispy, then you might as well use panko or some breadcrumbs, or dip it in an egg. That gives it an eggy vibe, which I'm not looking for my shrimp. I like my shrimp just plain shrimp where you can taste the shrimp flavor, and I like them crispy and crunchy. So, okay, you get the gist of that. So I'm gonna put you on pause and I'll be right back. Turn the camera around and we'll start frying. Okay, my grease is hot. My shrimp is thoroughly coated, not heavily coated, thoroughly coated in the flour mixture. And I'm going to try and do these in one batch because I only have about 10 shrimp here. I didn't cook the entire bag. Because they're just for me. As I stated, my husband's not a big shrimp eater at all. I'm just making sure they're in a single layer. Crispy, crunchy shrimp. I think you guys will like this recipe, unless you like it really thick and heavily coated in a batter. I do not. I just like my shrimp barely anything on it. And like I said, they only cook 1 to 2 minutes on each side. And I don't think these were jumbo. I think what I call jumbo must be a prawn. I must be mistaken, because these don't look very big to me. I guess so technically these are jumbo shrimp. But what I was thinking of was more of a prawn, something really, really long. You just want these to be golden brown. They only take 1 or 2 minutes. And this is just a quick little snack for me to eat right quick. Not quite brown enough. I'm going to take that one out. I'm just blotting them on some paper towel for the grease so they won't be oily. And they should really curl up when they're cooked. I'm just flipping them back and forth to make sure they don't get too brown. I like them golden. I don't want them burnt. And you know your girl's always cooking fast. Yeah, the trick is just to use the milk. Milk tenderizes them also, and that way it'll have something for the flour to adhere to without using an egg, because that just makes it eggy to me. And I don't want to egg shrimp. I'm taking these out. These are kind of tiny looking. Do one last turn. I'm going to cut my oil off because you know I have an electric stove, so it will continue cooking. You don't want your shrimp overcooked. They don't take long. Okay, so these are all done. I'm going to take these out and get everything set up for some pictures and get ready to tell you guys my joke. It's a short one. I apologize mainly because there's going to be an insertion in this video. And you know I don't like long videos, so I'm hoping for the video not to be too long. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put you on pause, turn the camera around and get set up. Okay everyone, there you have it. Jen's Southern fried shrimp. No batter, just flour and seasoning. And let me go ahead and tell you my joke. What does a receptionist say to clients as they leave a sperm donation clinic? Okay, yep. Thanks for coming. Yeah, I know that's sick. But anyway, please like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. Thanks for watching. And like I said, I'm grateful for anyone that stops by and watches my videos, because I know there's a million things you can do in life and you don't even know me. And I just want to say I'm truly grateful. So have a good evening and God bless.